Okay, factory update. We're working on a new part for the roof section of the new model of the SeaPod we're building. The new model of SeaPod. So this is our master plug, and we are now making the molds right here. So we're just trying to take it out of the mold, so it's a really tight fit. Incredibly tight. We're having to put little shims in and banging them and banging the sides. There's a little bit of damage on it, but that's okay. That can be fixed and repaired. A few little spots we can show you later. But it's coming along really well. These are fairly small sections. We're going to need 28 of these to go all the way around the entire roof section. And they are only the outer side. It's going to be kind of like a big ring, and in the center, or maybe like a donut, and in the center there's going to be a disc that we're going to put in. So a big round disc that will actually allow us to, as an option, we're going to make it so it has a funnel towards the center, so that when it rains, we'll be able to catch the rainwater and then collect that and use that for washing dishes and things like that. So we're probably about 2 weeks away from having the roof sections done. And then we'll be able to make that disc for the rain catchment. But all in all, it's going to still be, we're still looking at maybe a month before we can have the entire roof section completed, assembled, and with that disc on top. We're not even sure how we're going to make the disc section yet, so that is a work in progress. Stay tuned.